Okay, once you've logged into your account, so I'm in my Mutt Mr. Walter account, definitely a typo. If you want to actually start making something, if you're new to Scratch, you might need some help. You can click on Create, and it'll load up the Scratch editor, which sometimes takes a second. There we go, I'm in Scratch. And you'll see me reference a couple times while we're starting projects that you may try to go through the tutorial. So you can see at the very top it says Tutorial. I'll click on Tutorial, and there's a whole bunch of tutorials here. So the first project I was hoping we'd do was animate your name. So if I click on Animate a Name, it's going to actually open a little video tutorial I can go through as I'm working. So I can watch this tutorial.
You can use Scratch to animate a name and bring it
and advance through it as I need to do the different parts. And if I'm trying to work, I can shrink it down and kind of move it out of the way as I'm looking for the different parts of my tutorial. And I can expand it back when I need to see the next part. And once I'm all done, I hit close. And if I need to go back to the tutorial because I closed it by accident, I just click on Tutorials, find it, and open it again. The tutorials are really clear. It's a nice little video to help you get started, especially if you're unfamiliar with Scratch or you find the project hard and need a little bit of help. So, that's how you find tutorials.